the west, hear the children cry. City full of pressure, still we reaching for the sky. Mama say, hold your faith, no sell your soul. Love is the medicine, yeah, it heal the broken heart. Babylon a tremble when the truth them rise. Still we plant good seeds under burning skies. Every tear we fall from the sufferer face turn to river of hope, wash the world with grace.
Me know the road rough, but me heart stay clean. Love is stronger than the violence we see. Hold me and now walk with me. It's not just a word, it's a living prayer. One heart, one flame, one destiny. Love over all, let the people be free.
No more chains on the mind, no more hate. We choosing love before it too late.
One flame, hear Jah call. When we rise in love, Babylon fall.
Unity we name, peace we claim. One heart, one flame. Youth them searching for a sign in the night, lost in illusion, still hungry for light. Tell them say them worthy, them born fi be great. Not fi bust gun, not fi carry no weight. Sister stand tall, crown by your head. Wisdom in your womb, every word where you say.
From the marketplace to the mountain high, love is the message we never can die.
What we mean, love and truth. What we bring, roots and fruits. Who we are, one family under Jah sun. Humanity, one heart,
One flame, one destiny. Love over all, let the people be free.
no more chains on the mind, no more hate. We choosing love before it too late.
One flame, hear Jah call. When we rise in love, Babylon fall.
Unity we name, peace we claim. One heart, one flame. One more. So when the drums beat slow in the night and the moon give witness to the fight, remember say love is the highest name. Peace in your heart.
One heart, one flame.